Hi y'all, it's Crystal. Craft Sides Read Some More. And Tara, we're together today.
Hello, everyone.
And we've come up with a very cute idea for tier tray or dough bowl even, or just decorate it on your table. Farmhouse theme. These are our supply list. These are stickers. Look how cute those are, y'all. Look how cute Farmhouse.
They are very, very, very cute.
Oh, it's got milk cows and little trucks and greenery, and I just love that. It's on both sides. And then these little buckets, you can find, they come 3 in there in the wedding section or the party section. And yeah. Okay. And then we have the twine. These come 3 for $1 at the Dollar Tree in a bag. And then this little piece of burlap ribbon that I had taken off of at the Dollar Tree. You know how you get like the seasonal and they have the 3 little wooden plaques on. And I use the wooden plaques for something else, but I kept the ribbon. Don't throw things away. It really does make sense. And then we have the Rafia. And this is our supply list for scissors and hot glue. But this is our idea, and I want you to look how cute this says. We took some raffia and put it in our little bucket to make it look like straw. Hey, feed the cows. Feed the cows.
Those cows are always mooing and hungry.
Yes. And it's up to the farmer to feed them. That's for sure. Alrighty.
So we already measured the strip there.
Yeah, it's a little burlap. I cut it off of that one. It's got a few little frays. I'm going to cut those off. And then I'm going to hot glue this. And where the handle is here, we want it to be able to hang, if you're going to set it or hang it. If not, it doesn't matter. If you're going to set it on a tier tray, you can actually do it like this if you want. But it's according to how you want it. So I'm going to do it like this. So I want my back side to be on the back. But the way that we're fixing to do that, we're going to have that anyway. But I'm going to take hot glue gun. And I want the burlap to be underneath the little ridges because I like that. But I also want to be able to see the bottom. Y'all, you can scratch these buckets. You can give it that rust look. There's different ways you can fix this.
That's no need.
Yes, and it's just a good idea. But I'm going to start with the hot glue down here. And I want that to be overlap that. I'm going to take my finger protector because that is a wide little strip. And you can put glue at the bottom too if you want it to be tighter at the bottom, because the bottom of the bucket is a little bit smaller. It's trying to bubble up a little bit. But to me, that's okay. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, it's more rustic.
I like it. And then,
now how'd you get these stickers not to be so flimsy?
we want the stickers to go on here. Or actually, if you have smaller ones, you can put up there. But we wanted to go right on the burlap like that. So we thought it was so cute. So I took a piece of cardboard. And you can use any kind of a cardboard, and it works. It's really thin cardboard. It's foldable. It's flexible. It's better. And I took my sticker off, and then just laid it on top of the cardboard like this. And then took a little pair of kid scissors, which I was thinking little mustache scissors would probably do really, really good with this. And I just cut around it. We put that on there and put the sticker on it. Now I'm going to, and where the cow is a little bit bigger, I'm going to kind of put that right there where that's coming together where you can't notice it. I'm going to use my hot glue to put it on the cardboard and make sure I get it down the legs too, but I don't want it sticking out past it where you're going to be able to see it. So just carefully put it on there and carefully pick it up so you won't get burned. And then I'm going to try to center that. And where the cardboard will bend, see that'll bend right around that bucket.
Yeah, the paint don't like me. I usually get it all over the place whenever I paint, but that's part of the fun, I suppose.
Yeah, and Tara was real good about it. We tried the acrylic paint first, and she did it. And I think, oh, spray paint will be better. So then we went that route, so it did work better.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just don't always think of everything, but trial and error, y'all. Trial and error. That's part of the fun of crafting. And then on the other side, we wanted to do this little red truck. So like the red truck is hauling the straw or hay, and we're going to feed the cows. And that way we can use either side too. But it's a really cute idea. Look how cute that is. Now we have a little truck and the cow, and the cardboard just molds it to the. Then
do you have some little twine?
Yeah, we want to decorate just a little bit. What do we do with that? It was on the table. There we go. And it's got big old piece on it right there. I'm going to cut off. But we thought that we would make like a little bow. To add to it. We want to be able to see it though, so I think that I'm going to do like several little loops. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds cute.
I'm going to do like 2 or 3 little loops. Because that twine, it's all different shapes. Look at that. We got some that's bigger and we got some that's thinner. That's
Alright.
why it's fun.
It's rustic.
And I'm going to wrap it around the center. And you can go with whatever size you want. You can go with smaller, you can go with bigger. I'm going to put that right there. I think I want another tail on it though. Look cute little tail on it though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to cut this one. And then I'm going to make another little tail to go on it. About the same size as the other. And I'm going to wrap that on to hold it tight. Alright. So it'll be on there and we'll have to lose it. We'll cut that off in the back so you cannot see it. And I want to take a little glue. Very carefully, y'all. Don't burn yourself. Cute. And then you can even put a piece on it, leave a piece of string on there to tie it, or
You can't even really hardly see the tails mixed in
no,
with
you
that
can't.
wrapping.
So you put it on the front of the bucket then, like put a bow on each. What do you think about this? Instead of putting it at the top, that will put one on each side right above that. What do you think about that? Or is it
Yeah.
too big?
No, I think that fits perfect for that truck.
Yeah, it looks cute on it. And the little tails coming down on each side of the truck. I like that better, y'all. See?
Yeah.
I think it accents it.
Yeah.
You could do a smaller bow or a bigger bow. Whatever you want to do. A little glue on there to hold it in place. Put it where I want it. Make sure the tails are laying good. It doesn't glue. There we go. I hold that. Look at that. I like that.
I do too.
Now we need to put one on the other side too. But now you can make it bigger or smaller. But look, isn't that cute?
That is very cute.
I like it. I like it. I think I need to put a little glue back there to hold that tail down a little bit. That's what's good about this glue, y'all. You can put a little glue on there and make things mind you. Too bad we can't get kids to do that.
No, we're only that easy.
They got their own little things that go on, don't they? Okay. Yeah, I'll make one more little bow. Try to make it about the same size. Let's see. I like it, I like it, I like it. You can even tie it off if you want to make sure it's tighter. Alright, let's see the center of the cow. Sorry, y'all, I've turned to where I can see it a little bit better so I won't get it off crooked.
That's all right.
I still might get it crooked, but you know, at least I have a better chance if I can see what I'm doing. Look at there. Now look how cute that is.
I like
There's
that.
the cow, and then there's the truck on that side. And that way, if it's on a tier tray and you're seeing the shelves, you can see the front and the back all the way around it. Then there it is. And if it's in just a decoration on a table, then you can change it out if you want to see the truck one time. Yeah, but I really like that.
That's too cute.
It's Farmhouse. Look, Joe, you can go with any direction, any color, anything. But I hope y'all enjoyed this.
Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Yes, and please sprinkle and let everybody know about it. We appreciate it. And
We do have a group page and a Facebook page and our YouTube page, wherever you're seeing that. We do have other social media platforms. Check us out. Give us some comments and ideas. If you liked it, if you don't, what you don't like about it, let us know. We enjoy it.
if you like farmhouse trees, here you go. Hang a little string on it and it's an ornament.
Oh, that would be very cute. Yes, it would.
Thank you for joining us. This is Crystal and
Tara.
from Crafty Side Trees some more.
Bye.